So I want to show you a new method today. Absolutely easy to do, and you can make a lot of money every single day. This method is so awesome because you really don't have to do anything. Well, you have to do something, but it's basically nothing compared to the amount of money that you can make. All I need you to do is watch this video carefully all the way to the end, and you will be amazed to see how easy this is to do and how much money that you can actually make. You can make hundreds of dollars every day for doing this simple method that I am going to show you today. What is so wonderful about this is that it's free. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay to sign up. Registrations are all free, and it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are: Africa, Australia, Europe, America, South America, Asia, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. And you can do this on your phone or on your computer. So all you need to do, watch carefully, because I'll explain to you how it works and what you need to do to make the money. Before I show you the method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. I would really appreciate it. Please subscribe. It's absolutely free. Just click that red button, subscribe. Turn on all post notifications. Click that bell so that anytime I have a new video to help you make money online, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So the website I'm going to show you today is called clicksfly.com. clicksfly.com. So when you're on clicksfly.com, you're going to come over here and you're going to see this bar over here that says your URL here. So I'm going to take some time to explain to you what it is. So there are 3 steps: create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. Now, what do they mean by shorten your link? Now, every single web page on the internet has a link. For example, if you're on this YouTube video over here, you will see your link on the very top here. If you're over here, you will see the link over here. As you can see the link, there is a link everywhere. So what ClicksFly does is that instead of the link being so long, such a long link, they're just going to make it shorter so it looks more presentable. So when someone sees it, it's going to be a short link and they can click on it and get to the exact same page. So I want to show you something. When somebody clicks on your link, depending on where they're coming from, you're going to get different amounts of money. So if someone in Iceland clicks on your link, you will get $15 if he's using his desktop or his tablet or his phone. Someone in the United States clicks on your link, you're going to get $10 if he clicks on your link if he's using his desktop or his tablet or his phone. Someone in France, if he clicks on your link, you're going to get $8 if he uses his desktop or his phone. So different countries determine the amount of money you are going to make. So let me take you through to the procedure. Let me see. You want to go onto YouTube, then you want to type in anything. For example, type in new technology and press enter. We typed in new technology and we got these videos. So let's take, for example, this specific videos: 8 new tech gadgets and inventions 2020. So let's try this video. So when we click on this video, we will see that there is a link on top over here for the video. So when you're over here, you want to copy this link, copy it, and come back to ClicksFly. Come over here and you want to paste that exact link over here. Then you're going to click on this arrow over here. So you're going to wait a little bit And look over here, they've shortened the link for you. So if somebody clicks on this short link, he or she is still going to get onto this video. Do you understand now? So they've turned it from this very long link to this very short link, and it's both links take you to the same video. So what ClicksFly does is basically just to shorten it, just there to shorten the actual video link for you. They just make sure that they shorten it for you so that it looks more presentable for you. So now, anytime somebody clicks on it, depending on where they are, you're gonna get money. So where do you want to broadcast your link? So you want to copy your link, and then depending on the type of video that you've chosen, because we've chosen a technology video, you want to go onto Google and you want to type in something like technology forum. So it's going to give you a list of all kinds of forums where people have joined, and they're all about discussing things on technology and so on and so forth. So because we have seen over here that Iceland pays the most, Netherlands pays the second most, United States pays the third most, you want to try and look for something in Iceland. So how are you going to do this? You want to come over here and click on settings. Then you want to come over here and click advanced search. Then you want to come down and you want to look on region. You see region over here? You want to scroll down and look for Iceland. There it is, Iceland. So you click on Iceland, then you click on this blue button over here. So now it's going to give you the forums that are all in the Department of Iceland, because if people in Iceland click on your link, then you get $15 per click, which means that if 10 people click on your link, you get $150. So it's not about whether the people actually watch the video throughout. It's just about if they click on the link, this ClicksFly link, if they click on this link you've given them, you're going to make more money. So you want to find a forum that is reasonable. You want to find a nice forum that you can find in the Department of Iceland, or maybe you don't mind making $8 per click. Then you want to go and look for something in the United States. So then you go onto settings, then you want to go to advanced search, then you want to go back to region, and then you want to look for United States. So you want to scroll down and you want to look for the United States, and as we can see, it's over here. We click on United States, then we click advanced search. So it's going to give us all different kinds of forums that we can find. And basically all you want to do is you want to join any of the forums and paste your link over there. You just want to paste your link. Or you can go onto maybe Facebook. If you have a Facebook, you just want to make sure that you go on Facebook, click on your link, paste your link. Maybe you have friends that are in Iceland. Maybe you have friends all over the United States. Maybe you have friends that are in Netherlands or Saudi Arabia or France. Depending on whoever clicks your link, you are going to get these amounts of money. So this is how easy it is to make money. There's so many videos that you can choose. You can maybe choose something in cooking. You want to do something, go back to YouTube and you want to go to cooking, and you want to find maybe an interesting video that you want to share. Maybe you find something that is interesting that has to do with cooking. Like this guy says 75 kilograms giant stingray fish cooking. Maybe you like this. You're going to copy the link. You're going to go back over here. Then you're going to paste it here, and ClicksFly is going to shorten the link for you. And then you are going to paste your link wherever you can paste your link, maybe in a comment on a YouTube channel. Comment it. If somebody clicks on it, you get money. This is the beauty of Clicksfly. That's what I want to show you today. Before everything, you will need to register onto Clicksfly. You want to click on register over here. Absolutely free to register. You don't have to pay any money to register. So you just want to follow everything, which withdrawal option you need, however you want to get your money, whether by PayPal, Bitcoin, whatever you choose, whichever is convenient. Put in your email. So you just want to go through the registration process and then click submit. Very easy to do, stress-free, easy money. And this is what I want to share with you so that you can actually make money from home. You can do this on your phone whilst you're walking, just before you go to sleep, wherever you are. It's so easy to do. Just go find a video, copy the link, make the link shorter over here, send your link to different people, go onto forums, go into different forums, paste it there, tell people, here, there's a cool video on cooking, there's a cool video on technology, there's a cool video on transport, on the new cars, whatever you have. You just want to make sure that the secret to you getting money is that you need to shorten the link, because if you give the exact link here that is given on YouTube, you're not going to make money. But when you convert it and make it shorter, that's when you make your money. So you want to share the short link, the Clicksfly link, and let people click on that, and that's how you're going to make your money. So that is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it works for you. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment your questions down below in the comment section. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. I would really appreciate that. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you won't miss it out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. And if you haven't watched the rest of my videos, I have a playlist on my channel. Go to my channel and click on playlist, and you will see the playlist, and just watch my videos. You'll see different methods which you can use to make money online. And instead of just sitting at home, if you may be unemployed, or you just want to make more money easily instead of stressing about a 9-to-5 job, you can be at home and make more money for yourself. Cheers.